from Germany?
Yeah, from Germany.
Wow, look like Korea, but tall, right?
Like Korean, but I'm Chinese.
So what's the best thing in Bangkok?
Best thing in Bangkok, I really enjoy the night market.
Night market. Which night market? There's Chatuchak, Ratchada market, train market.
Free. Anytime you whine and catch it, the selector pull it up and put it for repeat, girl. Me not touch a dollar in my pocket, 'cause nothing in this world ain't more than what's worth.
What's up guys, dan hari ini saya akan mengajak kamu jalan-jalan malam di Bangkok. Hari ini akan sedikit berbeda karena saya akan menggunakan aplikasi COUCHSURFING yang mengizinkan kamu untuk bertemu orang-orang baru ketika kamu travel. Ini sangat recommended banget buat kamu yang solo travel, nggak ada temen. Kamu bisa download aplikasinya, namanya COUCHSURFING. Dan aplikasi ini membantu kamu bertemu dengan orang-orang baru di sekitar kamu. Di sini kamu bisa menemukan orang-orang yang ingin kamu temui. Kadang-kadang mereka janjian dalam satu grup, nongkrong bareng, makan bareng, dan sharing, tuker pikiran bareng. Karena apa? Karena di sini saya menemukan orang-orang yang luar biasa, orang-orang yang penuh dengan pengalaman, apalagi mereka adalah kebanyakan traveler. Kita akan lihat bagaimana serunya ketemu orang-orang yang sebelumnya belum pernah kita kenal, tapi kita mencoba untuk mempunyai teman baru, membuka pergaulan baru. Check it out.
Este es un gusano y en España no tenemos esto. Voy a comerlo y seguramente moriré después. Entonces, claro, no miréis por si acaso es muy gore. Y para mayores de 18.
这是我在那个夜市买的一个从在泰国买的，我现在尝试一下，我觉得这个很富有那个蛋白质。
And the last, you have to say, 恭喜发财, because this month, right?
恭喜发财，新年快乐！ What does that mean?
Hi, what's your name?
Jared?
Jared. Are you holiday here?
Yeah, holiday
Right.
for 1 week.
What's the best thing in Bangkok?
The food and the people.
People and food, of course.
Yeah, of course.
How's the weather?
Weather's perfect. Not
Much
too
better than your country?
Yes.
Yeah, for holidays.
Yeah, definitely. Although it's quite hot there now, so I haven't been back in Australia for a year, so.
Thank you, Jared. And you, Mark, from Philippines?
Alright, well, you gotta ask me a question.
Okay, how long you have been in Bangkok?
Well, I've been here, let me count. About a year? No. Year and 3 months. Yeah, but I work in the northern Thailand. So, yeah, it was supposed to be like travel only. No, not in Chiang Mai though.
Wow. He's doing marketing, awesome.
Yeah, I do marketing, I do photography and all. Yeah. So I fell in love with the place. It was supposed to be just a travel, but I had an opportunity, so it's just like, I'd rather stay here than.
Are you making also video?
I do vlog. I'm a vlogger. Yeah.
Wow. Just say your channel.
So yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Markipelago.
Markipelago.
Yeah.
Alright.
You should link that though.
Yeah, sure, I will. I think from Germany. Wow, look like Korea, but tall, right?
Like Korean, but I'm Chinese.
So what's the best thing in Bangkok?
Best thing in Bangkok, I really enjoy the night market.
Night market. Which night market? There's Chatuchak, Ratchada market, train market.
I like the train market.
Train market. Wow, this is up here. Is it cheaper?
It's really cheap.
Really cheap. Compared to your country, Germany is expensive, right? So.
It's cheap compared to Korea.
Okay. What do you suggest to people are getting travel in Thailand?
I suggest don't plan too much. Just do what you feel like to do.
Just like a travel, not holiday.
Yeah, right. Try to find local friends. I also suggest you to join COUCHSURFING.
COUCHSURFING, guys. COUCHSURFING is amazing platform.
Try to find local friends, and they will take you to nice places.
Yeah.
Just look for the.
That's a good idea. Like just travel like a local.
Yeah, right.
Wow.
Yeah. I met a Korean friend here, and I was an exchange student in Korea, and he was from the same area.
Exchange student in Korea.
I was staying in Busan, and he was from Busan. So 2 days ago he returned, but he was here here for traveling and meeting his local friends. And
Wow.
we spent 5 days together, so I met him like 5 days in a row.
Okay.
It's really nice.
Wow, I hope to meet you in the future.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bangkok.
Very good. This is my second time.
Second time.
Yeah. Last time is like 10 years ago.
10 years ago, you're
Yeah. To visit Bangkok. I think it's good. The place has changed.
So what is the best thing?
The best
Nightlife?
thing. Well, basically I just stay at my hotel, so I didn't go out.
I didn't believe you.
I think there's a lot of shopping mall, and I think it's good to have, after 10 years, there's a lot of application. I can meet up with new friends.
You
So
remember?
yes, that's
Wow.
the best thing.
How do you compare with Singapore? Yeah, it's
Say
different.
it's different, but Bangkok will be more vibrant, more energetic,
Energetic,
and diversified.
diversity.
Yeah, there's a lot of different things, the new things to see, to experience, and yeah, it's a fun part. That's all.
Hope I can meet you in Singapore.
Yeah.
What's the best thing in Bangkok?
The best thing in Bangkok, well, I'm here for 2 days or 3, so I cannot say
you mean I'm
anything.
quite
But the
outgoing?
people here, there are a lot of foreigners, and it's a multicultural country and city.
What was your first impression?
For fun is fine, but it's like
First impression, the culture is so different from mine. Come on, I'm from West Europe, so it's super different everything.
Okay. What's your name again?
Sonia Lopez
Thank you.
Fernandez.
Mozart.
Mozart.
Yeah, famous musicians. They are from Austria and I'm from Austria.
Wow. And you, which part of Thailand?
How much is
มาจาก
storage
ตะวัน
do
อ
you
อก
have
ค่ะ
in
มา
that
จากชลบุรี
Chonburi.
ชลบุรี
Chonburi. Wow.
how much storage do you have in that camera?
Just 64.
Huh. But then you will cut the videos.
Yeah. I will cut the
Because
video.
You know,
you're
for
gonna
now you
make a-
have like very beautiful girls in your cameras, like train.
We are not gonna break you.
Yeah.
You can be-
We are from 7 different countries. This is nice.
Well, for North Korea.
So, from Korean first.
안녕하세요. 저는 김영입니다. 교환학생이에요.
Oh my god. Germany?
Hallo, mein Name ist Ying, ich komme aus Deutschland. Ursprünglich bin ich Chinesin, aber jetzt... Ja, aber ich bin in Deutschland aufgewachsen.
Austria.
Austria is German.
Same.
Chinese.
France,
France. Bonjour, je m'appelle Ying. Je suis chinoise.
Chinese. 恭喜发财。
你好，我叫齐颖，我是中国人，但是我在德国长大。
So you can now speak each other Chinese.
I can also speak another Chinese
What's that?
dialect, 温州话. Have you heard of it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Yeah. 是中间男士. I don't know what's Thailand in this dialect because I don't use this dialect much, just with my grandma.
So how many dialect you can speak?
Not
Just Chinese, Mandarin Chinese.
just but I can listen. It's like Cantonese and Hokkien.
Hokkien.
Yeah, that's the one.
What about if now we record you?
No.
Now you have to talk to the camera.
I haven't heard.
What's the thing that you like the most in Bangkok?
Bangkok nightlife.
Really? Where are you going for nightlife?
Kawasan Road.
And yes,
Terima kasih buat kamu yang sudah like, komen, dan subscribe. Terus ikuti jalan-jalan saya di Bangkok, kegiatan saya di Bangkok, dan jangan lupa share videonya, follow Instagram saya di @5fajarnasula. Bye bye.